It's your favorite girl back in the spot again. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I am here tonight. It's not today, it's tonight. Amaya has got me making some gingerbread people for her candy table, you guys. So, hey, what can I say? But I am bringing you guys this video showing you how to do this little easy DIY project. I'm going to be taking some gingerbread cutouts and decorating them for Amaya's candy buffet, Christmas candy buffet. So you guys stay tuned to this video. So you guys, these gingerbread cutouts that I'm going to be decorating, I'm not sure if I'm going to use them for a table scatter or I'm gonna pin them on the wall. I'm probably not gonna pin them on the wall because my mom be like, why y'all put that stuff on my wall? So we'll see, you guys. But here are the items you would need if you wanted to decorate your own. So let me show you guys. Okay, you guys, so here are the gingerbread foam cutouts. And I got these, of course, you guys know, I always say it, where? Dollar Tree. I got these from the Dollar Tree. And how many came in here? 12 came in here, you guys. So if you want to make a little quick run to the Dollar Tree, feel free to. I'm going to use these pom-poms because if you watched me and Amaya's Dum Dum Tree video, we used these little pom-poms on the trees that we made. So I'm using them because they're going to match the trees. And then I have some googly eyes, you guys. Big eyes, small eyes. Then I'm going to use my glue. And I also have my hot glue gun, which I'm probably going to use my hot glue gun to glue the eyes down. And then I'm going to use this glue on the pom-poms. So let's get started, you guys. So you guys, I got 4 gingerbread cutouts right here. And as you can see, I put in place the googly eyes. I think I'm going to mix them up. I'm going to do small googly eyes and big ones. So let's get these glued down. Grabbing my hot old glue gun, you guys. So let's start with this one. Just gonna take it, dab a little glue on it. I wish these had the sticky backing to them, but they don't, of course. Yeah, you guys, so like I was saying, Amaya is on this gingerbread kick, you guys. Everything is gingerbread. She wanted to do a gingerbread house because she has one of those little made up, the ones that come pre-made, you guys. But we have been doing so much other Christmas stuff. We don't really have time to do the house. But she's on a gingerbread kick, you guys. For real, for real. But I am going to video our candy table for you guys. Okay, so I got the eyes on these. I'm trying to go really fast, you guys, because my videos always end up long, super long, no matter how I edit them, how short How short I think they are doesn't happen. Does not happen. They always go over 15 minutes. So I'm hoping you guys watch my full video through. Don't just zoom through it to get to the part you want to see. Please, y'all, watch the whole video. Just watch the whole video. But I'm gonna try to bring you guys some more crafting content and try to make it funny for you guys. Try to put my brother in some of my videos because he is a comedian, you guys. He's silly. So he also has his own YouTube channel, but I'll let him tell you guys. And look at that. Look what I did, y'all. Gingerbread Man got two different size eyes, but it's staying like that. Okay, it's gonna stay like that. Okay, let me do two more with eyes. Okay. Let me make sure the eyes match. Okay. So I'll do the little ones first, you guys. And I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I have done putting the googly eyes on my gingerbread people. Amaya's gingerbread people, you guys. So now I'm going to put the pom-poms on here. And I'm just going to glue down 3 little spots. My highlight's purple, you guys. Okay. Come on. Still green. Blue. And orange. And I'll be back, you guys. Okay, you guys. So I am going to finish the rest of my ginger. I keep saying my Amaya's gingerbread people, you guys. I'm going to do this one with blue on here. Put that one to the side. And squeeze my little glue. 2, 3. Let me go ahead and glue this one to you guys, instead of messing around with this glue. So I'm going to do a purple one for Maya. Okay. Orange. Okay, push these aside. And one more, you guys. I wasn't decided if I was gonna do something else to these gingerbread people. Blue, purple, and green. Okay, you guys. So I have finished the gingerbread people. And I hope Amaya likes these. So, you know what, you guys? I might add something else. If I add something else, I'll be sure to put it in this video. Oh, you guys, I decided that I'm not going to add anything else to these gingerbread people. And the next time you see them, they will be on a candy buffet table. So, like I always say, like, subscribe, comment, and I will party with you guys next time. Bye. Wait a minute. You said what? I don't care what they say. Don't leave off my page without subscribing to my channel.